Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yate here, and if you're new, thanks for joining me. So today I will be making my absolute fave, so stay tuned. Today I am making my absolute favorite, as I said earlier, and anyone who knows me knows how much I can't even get my words out, how much I love cookie dough. I am the cookie dough junkie, and I admit it. I have no shame in saying that. I love my cookie dough. Anyway, it's just a nice and quick dessert to make. It is so just the thought of it, I don't even know how to explain it. But oh, by the way, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and join me. And if you like what I'm doing, don't forget to like and comment as well. Okay, let's get started. I don't want to talk, I just want to eat. Let's get started. Okay guys, for the ingredients, we need some salt, baking soda, brown sugar, milk chocolate chip, white sugar, an egg, flour, butter and vanilla extract. Okay, let's get to it.
Minutes later.
And you can tell how much I couldn't wait to eat it, because I just poured the chocolate all over it. It doesn't look that nice, but it tastes amazing. Yes, because I poured the chocolate like a crazy person. I am not crazy. I am very sane. But it is so good. Like, guys, so good. And as soon as whenever I'm making cookie dough, everyone just comes from I don't know where they appear from. They come from wherever, and they want to have my cookie dough. But little do they know, I always have a spare. So I've always always got like a little small one that I always keep aside for myself, besides the one that everyone kind of eats. So I can put all the, you know, chocolate sauce or ice cream on this one because I've been saving it for when everyone is gone, basically. Oh. Let's be lady now. But guys, if you do like it, give it a go, try it out, let me know how you get on with it. It is just so good, and if you've got people coming around, it's a nice way to impress them as well and show your baking skills. Yeah, so have a lovely week and stay tuned and stay sweet. Bye.